2012 Jetta. We have cylinder 2 misfire P0302. Found we have a bad coil, so we're going to replace all 4 spark plugs, all 5 spark plugs, and all 5 coils. Someone's already replaced these with cheap aftermarket ones.
Oh, someone's already been in it?
Yeah.
This is the 5-cylinder, you say?
Yep, 5-cylinder.
Engine code, what was it?
CBTA.
What's your opinion of the 5-cylinder?
Good engine. It always happens. Give me that flashlight, please.
What happens?
The insulation on these aftermarket coils sticks to the plug and you can't get it out.
It's a little food for thought. No aftermarket plugs.
Yeah,
coils.
Wasting your money.
Wasting money and time.
Cheap auto lights. Different ones.
School, man. I'm tired of this, man.
Hey, I promise. There's got to be a better way.
Troy, man. Troy don't come by no more.
Troy Troy wears hospital scrubs. Every time I see him, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if he's in the nut house or what.
Troy full of it, man.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
Spec?
Come by regularly, man. I'll save some for you.
Okay, man. I will. You know, I always tell y'all that, but then I just got back a couple weeks ago from Mississippi. So the tornado that hit Alabama.
Yep.
I was just out of there a couple hours before that happened. A day before that happened.
Holy
Came
shit.
up out of there, man.
How many trucks are you running right now?
Because yesterday, I went to the Tesla. You know, I got a dealership contract with Tesla. And I went to the Tesla dealership.
What's torque spec?
25.
25 newtons on the plug.
Days ago.
5 of them.
What? Left rear inner taillight bulb.
Anything else you'd look for while you're in here?
Nope.
Any common issues?
Valve cover leaks. I guess if the coils were soaked in oil, I'd replace the valve cover.